Hello Techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problems. So if you are new to this channel, then hit on the subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, we'll go through some privacy settings to change on your PC. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for that, first go to settings, then in settings go to privacy, then in general switch off these two tabs that let apps use advertising ID to make ads more interesting to you based on your app activity. And the second one, let websites provide locally relevant content by assessing my language lists. So switch off these. So after doing this, move to diagnostics and feedback. Now here in improve inking and typing, switch off this. That is send optional inking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft to improve the language recognition and suggestion capabilities of apps and services running on Windows. So after that, move to activity history. In that, here untick this send my activity history to Microsoft. So after doing this, you are good to go. So in this way, you can improve your privacy settings on your PC or laptop. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.